Right, we've debadged it. Next, before we take it to the paint shop, we're gonna take off all this old crappy grey trim, and we're gonna do it ourselves. We'll do it gloss black. So put a screwdriver in there and just start prising it off carefully. Don't snap it. These are held by little grommets. Try and kind of get under there so you don't scratch your paintwork. Like that. Slide it under, push off. Obviously we're gonna respray these, but another day. That's another job. We're gonna leave this till last because this obviously holds the number plate and we can't drive without number plate. Well, lots of idiots do. I don't know why they do it. I think they look cool, but I think it's fucking idiots. So. Anyway, take this off carefully. Oh, I think it's stuck on pretty tight. Oh, that's it. Don't be scared. It's only clips, and this one's actually looks like snapped off a bit.
Just be gentle. Patience is your best friend.
Yep, that's right. Well, we can glue it on later if we snapped any. Looks like here we just snapped two.
Like we said earlier in the video, you can get a shot of them on eBay.
Well, no, not these. These are fucked. That's right. Just drop a bit of glue in there when we put it in. Nice, right? So obviously, the same principle follows, guys. I wonder why. Maybe you should take it from this side.
This time, different option.
Maybe. No, I don't think so. So we'll just do that again. Probably snap them again.
They go from the top first.
Maybe. Oh yeah. Get in there and do that. That's better. So that you don't break them.
Well, at least Mr. Mark learned his lesson from the first.
Exactly. So the moral of this story, trial and error. So we can do this again. Oh, nice and easy, see? Learn something new every day.
You're never too old to learn anything. You can be 100 years old, you're still learning.
I don't know what you heard about me.
That's right. Right, that's it. So next time we're gonna show you how to bring them back to life. Because this is the focal point of your car, and when they look shit, your whole car looks shit. Ain't it, Duke?
Yep. That's how to do it.
Put a bitch can't get $1 out of me. No Cadillac, no perms you can't see. Then I'm a motherfucking B.I.M.B. I don't know what you heard about me. Put a bitch can't get $1 out of me. No Cadillac, no perms you can't see. Then I'm a motherfucking B.I.M.B. Now shorty, she in the club, she dancing for dollars. She got a thing for that Gucci, that Fendi, that Prada, that BCBG, Burberry, Dolce and Gabbana. She feed them fools fantasies, they pay her cause they want her.